My name's James Durrant, I'm here from Ideal Collection. We've created some really healthy summer-autumn recipes that we're going to cook today. Today I'm cooking grilled aubergines, courgettes, pomegranate and tahini dressing. Okay, first we're going to start with the aubergine. So we take some nice slices, not too thin, and courgette. Used a mix here, yellow and green. Both have a moderately similar flavour anyway, so it's just a matter of the colour that we get from it. Okay, on a tray, I'm just going to drizzle them with a little bit of oil. Salt. Season that with a little bit of Moroccan spices. And just give them a good mix around in there. Okay, so we get our grill pan really super hot. This works just equally as well on a barbecue. And just very carefully place them all in. Okay, so we've got a bit of colour on the aubergines. We're just going to take them out. And they're going to have a couple of minutes in the oven just to cook through. Right, so now making the yoghurt dressing. So we need a little bit of natural yoghurt, a little bit of tahini paste, squeeze of lemon juice. Pinch of salt. And we want a tiny touch of cumin. And cayenne pepper. The aubergines and courgettes all out, just allow them to cool a little bit. We're just going to knock some seeds out of the pomegranate. And we're going to slice some chilli as well. Okay, so we've got some plate. Some pomegranate, followed by a little bit of chilli. Finish with some dressing. And just some fresh herbs. So we've got some really lovely baby coriander here. There we have it, grilled aubergines, courgettes, pomegranate and tahini dressing.